Blaze it up. You don't know the original Bashment King sound in the building and match it up.
DJ Shromik.
Tere kõik, see Bashment FM Raadio 2 pere. Minu nimi on Tarvi Laaman ja täna saates külas DJ Shromik, Home Studio, Bashment King Sound System ja temal on täna spetsiaal session. Shromik.
Yo. Kaasas on Explain. Kaasas on hunnik 10-tolliseid plaate, minu top-plate'id. Kuulame ja varsti räägime juttu ka natuke.
Nii et mängib pillid, Shromik oma plaadimasinast. Respekt.
Nüüd teile ma laula laulu. Nüüd teile ma laula laulu. Nüüd teile ma ta tantsin. Nüüd teile ma ta tantsin. Nüüd teile ma teeme teile regireget lauluga. Teeme teile regireget lauluga. Ja ma meelerahu, hingerahu. DJ Shromik. Mäe tipu ma näen, sinna pikk on tee. Üksindusest täiesti üksinda. Mängin pilli, nüüd teile ma. Teie tuulelapsed saasite mu juukseid, just kui otsiksite miinust tuttavat sõpra. Laula laulu, nüüd teile ma. Kauguses on vihmapilved, kuidas saaksin küll neid emale ajada. Ta tantsin, nüüd teile ma. See mäenõlvak on ainus, kes minu rahva sõnadele vastab. Teeme teile regireget lauluga.
Temperatuur on tõusnud mu toas.
See enne oli Angus.
Mul on suur suu, aga suust tuleb puhvel. Kõnatrummi muskel on arenenud uhkeks.
Ja Tahv.
Tüli vahel puhkeb, külli keeran põhja kuni stereo lõhkeb. Mure siilahen taapega juhker saud.
Tahv andis hiljuti välja ka enda debüütplaadi. Tšekkige see välja, Teemant. Respekt, Tahv.
Mul on kõva riim, lammutab nagu laviin. Naamiin nagu kõrvakiil. Naudime seda mina, sina ja su ema. Ema vana, isa vana, kere DJ Shromik, terve pere lugu õdedele, vendadele, mõnedele, semudele. Tere, mul on täitsa juhe koos, ära mussi kuule raadios, et tuleb ainult kool. Teoloom, sa oled õige toog, Shromikuga hoos käed püsti koos. Shromikuga hoos käed püsti koos. Shromikuga hoos käed püsti koos. Tead, mis mul on suured kõllid, matsuvad ja pauguvad suured kõllid. Väga pull on, naaber mul arvab, et naaber tal hull on. Suured kõllid, röögivad ja hauguvad suured kõllid. Paremad kui väiksed, suured kõllid, toovad välja päiksene. Suured kõllid, tead, mis mul on suured kõllid. Tead, mis mul on suured kõllid, matsuvad ja pauguvad suured kõllid. Väga pull on, naaber mul arvab, et naaber tal hull on. Suured kõllid, röögivad ja hauguvad suured kõllid. Paremad kui väiksed, suured kõllid, toovad välja päiksene. Suured kõllid, kokku jääb põllid, mul on suured kõllid. Tead, mis mul on? Mul on sitaks suured kõlarid. Tead, mis mul on? Ikka väga suured kõllid. Tulga tavast vihma või jäikest näiteks. Pilve tagant peidust leiab alati päikest. Kui sa mind kuuled, on kõllid liiga vaiksed. Huinad on suured, aga minu omad on räiged. Keha see eest päriseb, Shromik paneb biiti. Iga mees taib seda nagu dünamiiti. Mälukatted CD, tšekki seda sheedi. Mis saab siis, kui enam ei viitsi? Ära mängi tarka, mängi parem kaarte. Vaata, mul on prillidega HD. Näen hästi, kui Shromik lappab plaate. Koduseinte vahel või rallin mööda maanteed. Kaugelt on kuulda, kui ma tulen. Tümakaa sees ja tagast robo tuleb. Kui su muisa maitsen teine, siis pole minu mure. Sinu oma haiseb, nii et süga mune. Panen tonkid terve suve. Kul on punki, trappi, hip-hopi, rege ja punki. Vaikust ei salli mu kõrvad kumbki. Keeran volüümi üles ja panen punkti.
Siit tulevas JOC ja uus energia 2016 DJ Stromiku versioon Joo, ei Seda kõike, millesse ma usun end uskuvat, ei saa pakkida kasti Mul on alati 4. asjad käsil ja ma ei tee seda, mida mul kästi
Ja eetris siis uus energia Bashment King Sounds MC JOC Sündinud tähtedest Shrumik Top-8 versioon
Mähmetest välja, et kuulata seda mõnusat soundi, mida Shrumik praegu meieni too Mina, kes ma sündisin tähtedest, vähresin mähmetest välja, et kuulata seda mõnusat soundi, mida Shrumik praegu meieni too. Läbi argipäevade udu tihti kummitab mind üks lugu. Ma tunnen, et siin on mu rahvas, siin on mu koht, siin on mu kodu. Tuleb õppida uut, mida toob mulle tuul, vahet pole kas loode või kagu. Shrumik mängib samu radu, mida mänginud on kordisadu. Ükskõik kui kõvasti ma karjun, ei suuda hüpata üle ma varju. Ei taha nahast välja pugeda, et noppida hapusid viinamarju. Külmade piltide vahel on see, kellega ma ära pole harju. Kuid tuleb jälle Shrumik ja sulatab ja pimeduse plaan on nurju. Sina, kes sa sündisid tähtedest, vähresid mähmetest välja, et kuulata seda mõnusat soundi, mida Shrumik praegu meieni too. Shrumik praegu meieni too. Seda kõike, millesse ma usun end uskuvat, ei saa pakkida kasti. Mul on alati 4. asjad käsil ja ma ei tee seda, mida mul kästi. Mõtted põrkavad paberilt tagasi, ma tahan peaga vastu e-posti. Sisu jääb samaks, kui vahetada kesta, tundub, et nii on kõik hästi. Õige ja vale on mõlemad olemas ja mõlemad järgivad koodi. Ma astun sammu tagasi ja tunnistan seda, kuidas asjaolud astuvad loodi. Uued sihid on mul ees, kui ma on jälle pööranud 360 kraadi. Shrumik ulatab käe ja tervitab seda, et igaüks on iseenda moodi. Sina, kes sa sündisid tähtedest, vähresid mähmetest välja, et kuulata seda mõnusat soundi, mida Shrumik praegu meieni too. Mina, kes ma sündisin tähtedest, vähresin mähmetest välja, et kuulata seda mõnusat soundi, mida Shrumik praegu meieni too.
Yes, respekt, uus energia. Respect JOC, kuid järgmise loo esitaja tutvustab ennast ise.
Yo, DJ Shrumik, the original DJ, you see it? Big up home studio sound from Estonia, Ion music every day. Alba Browns, the day of the Zion youth, I tell you, say, DJ Shrumik, have it locked. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a rude boy sound, it's Shrumik sound. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a champion sound, it's Shrumik sound. Idiot sound with no behavior, still a beggar thing. If you no buy no dub, one suck your mama king. DJ Shrumik stop traffic, top a top system. While the gangsta inna the dance, them bust the M16. DJ Shrumik run the scene, and them a the maddest thing. Look how them sharp and rich, them show up girls and bling. Smell of marijuana, ronic, and them juggling. DJ Shrumik, tell them say, sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a rude boy sound, it's Shrumik sound. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a champion sound, it's Shrumik sound. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a rude boy sound, it's Shrumik sound. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, Shrumik sound, tell them. Well, this are the Dublin, blood run cold pon the white sun. Concrete a bun, but some parts of your timber. Babylon boy, them kill a youth and one old woman a chance. And well, a next set a man. Shrumik sound, I tell them straight, them kill more sound and rooms up a Hilton. Small community, get washed out by a bloodstorm. Every weekend, same routine when you function. Shrumik, tell them right away. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a champion sound, it's Shrumik sound. Sibling dong dong, sibling dong dong, it's a rude boy sound, it's Shrumik sound. Sibling dong dong, Sibling down down, it's a champion sound. It's strumming sound. Sibling down down, sibling down down. Watch out.
Watch out, all the Estonia ganja smoking crew. Original Top Cat passing through. What tell them say? Hear this. Now this one going out to all ganja smoker. We support them on habit and buy them on ganja. They buy them on Rizla, they buy them on lighter. But you see the one that love big regular. Tell them say, hear this. Watch out. We tell them they say, a friend in need is a friend indeed, but a friend with weed is better. And if you want to get high, bring your own supply, cause DJ Shramik call you joker smoker. I said a friend indeed is a friend indeed, but a friend with weed is better. And if you want to get high, bring your own supply, cause home studio call you joker smoker. To keep away, I don't feel no way, but every day them a come with the same thing. Me a beg you a waster, hey, me a beg a cigarette, sir. Hey, me a borrow your lighter. Hey, them a joker smoker, joker smoker. That's why I say, a friend indeed is a friend indeed, but a friend with weed is better. And if you want to get high, bring your own supply, cause DJ Shramik call you joker smoker. I said a friend indeed is a friend indeed, but a friend with weed is better. And if you want to get high, bring your own supply, cause home studio call you joker smoker. Now sweet dreams are made of leaves. I like to smoke my senses, please. Give me the Rizla or pass me the Chalwa. Blaze the pipe and praise Jehovah.
ja see on legendaarne Top Cat, Friend in Need, Shrumik Top Plate. Järgmisena Charlie P, Mungos Half-Eye ja ikkagi Top Plate style. Kuulake.
One, nice it up. You know, say Shrumik him a go nice it up. You know, say home studios a go nice it up. Say anytime me come and make me go nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up. Say if you got your drink in your hand, rise it up. You know, say Shrumik him a go nice it up. Say anytime me come in the dance, me go nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it. You are standing in the queue and you can hear the bass pumping, vibration from the speaker. People them a jumping, you want to reach the downs. Bounce and touch it. Looking at me in the kind of way like you want to come rush me. Me reach the door, if they give me eye, they pat me down and brush me. Search me properly because it's either don't go and trust me. Lip me true, Shrumik had it stashed properly. Real ganja baby, no big man like that can stop me. Me reach the dance, jump and bounce. Went out to England, in France, test me this night. Got no chance, lyrics are there and well advanced. We a mash it, jump on the rhythm, yeah, catch it, big man style it, yeah, flash it, only one title, and I will have it, touch down the bass and heavy, by the speaker with my split ready, lit up the split, herbal smelly, ready to bounce, him look edgy, come over but it was gone already, dribble past him just like I was Messi, tell you right now, that was heavy, that's why me a fake one nice it up, you know say home studio a go nice it up, you know say Mr. Shrumik him a go nice it up, you know say Charlie pay me a fake one nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up. If you got a spliff in your hand, light it up. Say if you got a drink in your hand, rise it up. Say anytime you coming in all the dance, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it. Boom! So what da dan pain. No say home studio I mash it up again. Wait. So what da dan then you know see Charlie pay me not go beg no. But I want done say vinyl, say CD too fast. Can't see me mash up the dance. You can defeat me, make a soundboy find home like E.T. Just as the England in Tahiti. Now all the big soundboys want me just made an album, done it discreetly. All the girls then come to show to see me, and the dance was hyping. Couple youth them they start fighting. This is the one thing that I'm not liking. Dance all is about uniting. fighting. Then they see the bouncer, that's a smiling. Go on over and give a good hiding. That's all the change in my thinking. That's why me have to go and nice it up. You know, say Mr. Shramick, him a go and nice it up. You know, say Home Studio, a go and nice it up. You know, say Charlie P, me have to go and nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up, nice it up.
This is Eagle alongside DJ Shramick. Bang, 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 bang. About to do the killing. Representing Home Studio from Estonia. We high and music every day. Dum 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 dum. When good in. Any minute bang bang bitty bang bang. Another sound there. DJ Shramick. Him comfy murder them again. Die, 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 die. You a pussy wall, boy, you got the eye. Die, 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 die. You die quick by DJ Shramick. Hey, now this is a Soundclass morning. How we are doing killing. DJ Shramick, DJ Shramick. Him come for the killing, cause him murder them, murder them. Just murder them at the end, and then that's all. Piss your bed, pussy, boy, fix your blood clot, because you got. Bury your dead, boy, go, bury your dead. Boy, go, bury your dead, yeah, pussy, all you. Hey, now this is a Soundclass morning, and we are to the murdering. DJ Shramick, DJ Shramick. Emma go murder them again.
Just nii, niimoodi kõlabki legendaarne Iika Maus. Kuid nüüd natukene läheme kaugemale regest, dancehalist. Top-late Inglismaa
2016, you know how the things set the machine them nasty.
Grimy legendilt.
No sound can't this my sound I stone.
Killa P.
The thing set already. Boom. Well, I got a brand new style named Leng. If you don't know, let me tell them again. Mix a Phenomenon 1, Phenomenon 2, Phenomenon 9 and 10.
Ja muideks selle loo remixi on produtseerinud Eesti oma tüüp Slin. Respect Slin.
If he's a music man, make music. If he's a risking man, then use it. We don't know why the artists are confused. So the rotted road with music. Well, I know. None of you know what to see when it turn on. No. Can you lick like you're gone? Make sure your head up like popcorn. Jump back in the jalopy and gone. Phenomenon 1. This is dedicated to our soul man. If you don't know, you don't understand. If you know killer man, you know they done. Example of a real veteran killer man. If you have gun in a hand, pot murder every sound man. From them this the Estonia gang. We have the gun in a hand. Some boy you don't know we. None of them can overthrow we. If you have bad sound, show we. We don't box it ready for them, ready for them. Now make me happy strolling. With the length that I'm holding. You don't want to see when gunshots start beat. It will be like when dog a eat tribe. So come and just dump the whole lot of them. Tell the truth so we don't care about them. Now when we dump it and left another dumpy with a dumpy. We are big sound, them sound they are puppy. Don't want to see the kind of gun we are guffy. Leng, none of them can't ever deny the fact that we murder them with a brand new skeng. Leng, Leng, Leng. Style we no borrow, no style we no lend. Leng, Leng.
Just, Killa P, Leng, järgmisena Top Cat. Champion DJ.
Well, easy DJ Shramick. I hear some somewhere talking a pass a remark when my we get darker when a skin and laugh off when if we pop off excess amount of things that go on. Home studio, we're not afraid for bus card. What we tell them say? After we win the song, cause like a lot the champion DJ and everybody them said you respect. Actually we bust up the dance and we mash down the place and I pay no plate what we make. When me say let me tell none of this. If I fluke it in, we fluke the sound clash. We have a job with it establish show we well versatile and we are job for the English cat and where we tell them sound boy. Me you tell them nothing who I told you talk. This home studio we are gonna get dark sound boy. Me you tell them nothing who I told you talk. This home studio we are gonna get darker. So it's a song we don't rock and jump offer. Jump with your son no checks and we're suffer. Disrespect and try past the mark. We get vexed and we start get dark. Argument done and the sound class start. chop up your sound, left it on the side.
Yes, respect Top Cat ja Top Cati kohta nii palju, et Top Cat on käinud ka Eestis Bashmandil ja andis meeletult hea laivi. Peaaegu a cappella stiilis live, see oli eriti äge, üllatav paljude jaoks, šokeeriv ja suppa-tuppa, nii et tasub Top Cati laivi minna vaatama, big up.
Just, ja ka järgmine artist, keda mängime, on Bashmandil käinud. See on võib-olla viimasel ajal jäänud YouTube'is, Facebookis igal pool silma oma huvitavate ja ägedate taimetoidulauludega.
Greetings, this is the big Rastaman, Maccabi.
Respect Maccabi.
Big up. Ja Maccabi on siis selline mees, kes on 100% aital ja ei suitseta ja ikka teeb ägedat laivi. Nii et võib olla hai ilma aineta, võib ka lennata muusika jõul, nii et big up Maccabi.
Aital is vital.
You have such a great reggae selection and you have 1/7/45 in your collection. Say DJ Shramic, man, he know about the 45. He know about the feel and the vibe. Yes, he's a DJ and him know about the 45. Him know about the feel and the vibe. Yo, DJ Shramic know the vibe. When you hold a 45 with them thumb in and them middle fingers on the outside. Black vinyl about 7-inch wide. Information on the label, music on the two sides. Something about the DJ, me say something about him vibe. Brand new tunes too, not just revive. You coulda have $1 million dub up on your hard drive. DJ Shramic know the touch and the look and the vibe of a 45. Him know about the feel and the vibe. Say DJ Shramic, man, him know about the 45. He know about the feel and the vibe. Yo, when they put it on the deck, him know the musical kiss. When the vine and touch the nigga, then they hear the little hiss. Bass sound warm and the top sound crisp. Not so digital like a compact disc. Every DJ have to experience this. DJ Shramic are the teacher, you are apprentice. Coming from Estonia, him just can't miss. DJ Shramic, me say come in at this, cause he know about the 45. He know about the feel and the vibe. Say DJ Shramic, man, him know about the 45. He know about the feel and the vibe. Yo, when all I'm saying, when you are playing, DJ Shramic have to play properly. Your sound's not stable, and if it's not able, then some boy you coulda dead and bury. He coulda play with laptop, play you with CD. He can play you with a MP3, but him know about the vinyl, so he can use it side by side with the modern technology.
Yo, it's DJ Shramic representing for the Home Studio from outer Estonia. We eye and music every day. What we say? Eye and music every day. So this is Peck and Swap, you know. Sound dead. The plate pop and bust in a head. You remember Jamaica will keep Federal 9 It's like coffee and bread. Alright then. World of DJ Shramic on ya. 2 to 20. Any sound boy this them a go get murder. How will me say I know? World of DJ Shramic on ya. 2 to 10. Sound boy this we turn them over with the plate. Alright, this is the reggae music from Jamaica. Sound of Bob Marley and Wheeler. So rock steady to that drum and bass, yeah. Listen to the, hey, say, a sound boy disrespect, happy get killed. Remember, man no come forget no man trill. Man blow just like the breeze from the grill and them fi know. Hey, me never yet calm and still, so them fi know. World of DJ Shramic on ya.
Spetsversion kontrolli välja. Toome valedetektor, et teada saada tõde. Shramic on paha sektor, kes imustab sõne. 12 apostlit, 13 pilves. Peale 3. jointi märkad muutkusi.
Yes, respect, legendaarne Tommy Boy.
Ja ametlik versioon, olen ohtlik kui muhkat. Verbaalne diversioon.
Täna on pühapäev.
Illusioon.
Jutt räägib pühapäeva suitsetajatest.
Tule ennast täis jälle joon, tõmba jalga kottpüksid ja valge toss, kivide rivistus. Kes on siin kandis boss? Ma ei aja sulle paskat, jook ja troogid on pahad. Sest oma vaba valikas jätad maha, viisad elu käest taha. Olen nukumeister, kes liigutab su käsi algu. Tatsupõrand versus tänav sound saali laiali valgub. Läbi vidukil silma, tšekin vorme ümaraid. Läbi kansa sultsu pilve on vaid noogutavad päid. Sest mu jutt on jumala õige. Tommyboy ja Stromik niisama ei sõimle. Ei võimle, vaid esindame räpparite hõime. Üle Eesti su valu läbi ja kummi nahku. Täna sellel biidil ma testin. A pühapäev ootamas on Savulaari. Illusioonid ees oleme kõik superstaarid. Jutt on seosetu ja silmad pole klaarid. Sellised on pühapäeva suitsetaja memuaarid. Pühapäev ootamas on Savulaari. Illusioonid ees oleme kõik superstaarid. Jutt on seosetu ja silmad pole klaarid. Sellised on pühapäeva suitsetaja memuaarid.
Ja 2016 JOC ja MC West 2.
Just nii, JOC ja MC West.
Soundi tuleb siit nagu voolupatareist. DJ Stromik ei ole mingi
DJ Critical produktsioonil.
Ja kui räägimegi kogu kraami liigitusest, põhineme siiski inimsusel ja kas oled teega jott või peega pois ja ehast koidu nimed siiski kuuled pähe puruks pekstud pudelitest. Kopp on ees su perse peale täägides on taaskord suurelt topelt VST. Kuum, sest DJ Stromik paneb hullu, vastu väited muran pooleks nagu oksa, mis on tormis kajustunud. Poleks uskunud kõik kõlavat end Stromiku taapleidil.
Aga nii on.
Ja kõlam veel, sest öö on hommikuga teidil, paus jääb tulemata, sest me mitte kunagi ei puhka. Siin on JOC, kes puistamas on suust taas kulda kuula. Kuidas muutub mitmekesiseks laul, mitte et ma esineks, kuid just kui viitsepresident ja nau, siis Stromik valimas on plaate õhtast hommikuni. Ja kui pärast seda jätkub suvel võhma, mine munni, hoogi pidurdu, kui Stromik lisab gaasi juurde, nii et lõpuks silme ees kaob pilte, mitte sittagi ei kuule. Ei ole põhjust paanitseda, pean see pisu plaani, ega ma sind seganud, kui ma lasin seda.
Just nii, MC West võib-olla lüüriliselt üks ägedamaid MC's üldse Eestis, nii et suur austus MC Westile. Ja muidugi MC JOC legend.
Ja kui räpimegi toidu eest on riimid huultel. Nii et astuge ligi rutem, isegi kui teemast hoidud ei saa east, kuidu nimed siiski kuuled.
Yo, DJ Stromik, JOC ja MC West. Enne hommikut ei lahku tantsusaalidest, sest hoiame leegid üleval, õhus olemas on elekter. Järjekordne MC kusagil hüüab rewind selector. Tuleme alt ja tuleme pealt ja tuleme külgede pealt. Vaatame südame põhja, küsime, jo, mida sa õige tead. Ajalehtede veergudel tunned ära ehk mõned kirjapead, aga proovi lugeda selle biidi pealt.
Tead, Mikk oleks super hea, kui see biit eks korraks seisma.
Ja JOC jätkab. Defrado JOC, kuningas ei eksi, Sofia Rubina. Kõik on platsis. Big up G, big up JOC, Sofia Rubina. Kogu Defrado Massive.
Fiksumas on DJ Stromiku ajad ise enesest paistetavad on me tänased rajad. Meelest läinud orjapidamine ja ühismajand teame, millist tüüpi ridimit kuulata vaja. Aga mis tüüpi taktikat galaktikate sõjas? Suppi saab ju keda ainult praktika vajas. Elementaarne nagu seinakontakt sinu majas on see, et olete Stromikule pojad. Igal ajal valitsevad omad aru saama. Tänane kreedo polnud eile üldse teema. Põhiseadus on sunnitud sõnu sööma, kui Stromik hakkab uut korda looma. Selekta ei saa teha valesti, kuni tema puldis välistub. Ja põhilood selguvad alles siis, kui kogu rahvas tantsupõrandale gistud. Stromik ei eksi mitte kunagi, kuni oma puldis välistub. Põhilood saavad selgeks alles siis, kui rahvas tantsusaalis üles alla viskub. See nii kaua, kui ma teiega siin polemiseerin, liigub kusagil politseinik, kes kedagi arreteerib. Kohtunik otsustab, kes kriminaalkaristust väärib. Me satust juhib ametnik, kes paberit määrib. President oma kõnet paberit maha veerib ja igasugu lambikaadrit ordeniga premeerib. Ning enne veel, kui olukorda kritiseerid, vaata DJ Stromiku positsiooni ja et sind ära nummerdataks, maksad riigilõivu. Meil on rahvavõim, kus inimesel ei ole võimu. Suurütmi pildi kujundab nüüd Stromiku nõidus. DJ-l on alati õigus. Selekta ei saa teha valesti, kuni tema puldis välistub. Ja põhilood selguvad alles siis, kui kogu rahvas tantsupõrandale gistub. Stromik ei eksi mitte kunagi, kuni oma puldis
just nii.
Põhilood saavad selgeks alles siis.
Niimoodi nad räägivad.
Üles alla viskub.
Aga järgmisena Inglismaal resideeruv Jamaica tüüp.
Blaze it up. You don't know, say original Bashment King sound in the building and mash it up.
Every girl in civil with a feel Style G. Yo, DJ Shramic.
Top plate version.
Dance and take with them girl. Laying to the side like ding dong. Dub them a swing like swing song. Hey, Shramic them girlfriend like we. Even though I'm black like King Kong. She like every picture on my Ingram. Yo, so right away she a sing song. Hey, Shramic him a play like a yard. I him put the G in a England. Yo, limited space for the man them. Yo, whole heap of space for the gal them. Yo, backers alone, so put your cups down. If a table dog, that's straight shut down. Shramic can make you wind up your body, girl. Wind up your body, girl. Wine. You know have to ask when you see me. When you see me, every girl you see me with a for me. You see me? Hey, Shramic, you see me? Yeah, Estonia, you see me? Yeah, hey, yeah. Every girl you see me with a feel. You see me? Every girl you see me with a for me. You see me? Every girl you see me with a for me. You see me? Every girl you see me with a for me. You see me? You know have to ask when you see me. My girl and your girl and mine. Sit down and kick back and wait till your time. You keep on trying, you're wasting your time. Yo, Shramic, I want to them. Hey. Shramic, I want to do them fool ya. I be a bad man in the room. Hey, them have to pay you if you pull up them throne ya. Watch how me look sick in my Puma. Aye, me no normal king. Anything me wear on a normal thing. Yo, big up my English friend them. But tonight is a yard man thing. She follow, she search and she find. She tell me say tonight she gonna be mine. Me grab her and hold her and her mine. Shramic pull up and we wine. When me have Keisha, Letitia, Sharifa, Terika, the whole of them they on me line. Kimala ask me is Stephanie fine. Any girl you see me with dog of mine. You see me?
Well, he's a DJ Shramic. Watch our home studio. I hear somebody running them mouth and I spread news about him. Anyhow, watch her. Home studio find out.
Yes, Top Cat on siin juba tänast saadet mitu korda külastanud. Siin on ta jälle igapäevaselt. Tulistame top-plate'e. Not a problem. Drop a dub track, and when they hear the dub a boss, I better get flat. Well, every day home studio boss a dub track. When they get dub plate, a boss I better get flat. Well, every day home studio boss a dub track, and when they hear the dub a boss, I better get flat. Well, every day home studio drop a dub track. When they get dub plate, a boss I better get flat. Home studio, we a try to play cool, just to make a hustle sometime bend the roll. A sound want test we take man for fall, so we splurt and come back and we a boss for we too. Now we come in at the dance and I take sound for fall. While the one little sound we a take them to school. So I'm running all the David sound them for cool. We tell all the people them say, watch out. We tell them every day home studio boss a dub track. And when you hear the dub a boss a better get flat. Well every day home studio boss a dub track. When you hear dub plate a boss a better get flat. Well every day home studio boss a dub track. And when you hear the dub a boss a better get flat. Well every day home studio boss a dub track. When you hear dub plate a boss a better get flat. We tell them down in the ghetto where the place gets so hot. Every day home studio boss another dub track. Yo they make a house then by selling coke and crack. But the rich man them a driving at the big open top. Some sound warm money so them pick up them dub one for test the home studio now the party young club. But when them check it up me say them don't have enough. And the one home studio where you beat them sound up. A little informer said that we did do it. Tell the police a description and they make photo of it. And the papers them talk about yeah this do it. Them time the home studio sound and we do the it. Yes we do the it and we do the it. And the blame Jamaica sounds like the whole of them wicked. But every day home studio boss a dub track. And when you hear the dub a boss a better get flat. Well every day home studio boss a dub track. When you hear dub plate a boss a better get flat.
Well every day home studio.
Yo, DJ Shramic, straight out Estonia, ruling son, yeah. In the evening.
Meeldiv on näha seda, et dancehall muusika on jõudnud ka suures osas massidesse. Big up Ed Sheeran ridimi eest, kuid siin peal on Gulan, straight top plate business, Shape of You. Just give me one more wine. Need your body to come closer to mine. Need your body so close. Then I did dance and we alright. I might be crazy, baby, don't mind me. Don't mind me. Yo, yo.
she turn me on. Every day discovering something brand new. Across the border, London, Leicester, and girl Chester. Girl from Birmingham, so that they want to yeah. She no want a man, just some tequila. Body shaped like a Dr. Pepper. Rubber down like some cocoa butter. She's young and wine. Girl, your body more than fine. Me nah in a none of them, I say them are your friend and like no, no. So cool, no me darling. Girl, just give me one more wine. DJ Show me kill them one more time. Yeah, yeah. We don't ramp at all with a DB song. Then I did dance and we alright. I might be crazy, baby, don't mind me. Yo, yo. Give me the weed. Ganja is a thing where the eye them need. Girl, I wine slow and back up for me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. She wine low like a bad girl do. And when she dance, I'm falling too. I'm in love with your body. I say, oh Lord, she bad. From long time she turn me on. Every day discovering something brand new.
Kill pussy, wanna think of blood clot gimmick. Representing for the home studio from Estonia. We iron music every day, so we make the blood clot marrow them blood spray. Let it go. Gunshot a bust your blood a bubble on. This DJ should make this a trouble on. Squash your brain, them off the scoop it with a shovel. Gunshot a make your brain just a bubble on. Pussy, why you not go like this? DJ should mix and your body in the casket. The war you should have started. Your marrow jump and the gun and it's a boom 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 boom.
Queen of Dancehall, Queen of Stages, Official Spice, miljonite ja miljonite vaatamiste artist, maailmakuulus, worldwide.
DJ show me bossy cap a shot we not stop it on. Pussy wall you not go like this. Gunshot a send your body in the casket. The very top me a clotted. Marrow jump and the gun and it's a boom 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 boom. DJ show me him a clotted. Gunshot a bust in your casket. The war you shouldn't start it. Your marrow jump and the gun and it's a boom 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 boom. And the bassline, me a bust a wine. Style with me have we make man lose their mind. Sit down and a wine. Take it one time, can no girl never do them a style with me design. Yes, I saw me like it. Look at me body and me wine it. Me catch it and a wine it. Bubble and a sit down and a wine it. DJ should mix on me like it. Look at me body and me wine it. Me catch it and a wine it. Bubble and a sit down and a wine it. Pan the bassline.
Just nii kõlas Spice.
2016 Rodeo.
Aga Bashmandi resident JOC.
Ma küsin, mis värk on?
Mis värk on?
Tahab teada ja.
Oskab keegi öelda?
Ma küsin, mis värk on? Andke talle teada ja. Mis värk on? Ma küsin, mis värk on? Šlomik.
Ma ütlen teile kohe, mis värk on.
Mis värk on? Ma küsin.
Värk on selline, et 15 juuli Bashmand Padas.
Klubi taga nurgas paks prillidega poiss.
JOC on platsis. Šlumik on platsis. Tarvi on platsis. No põhimõtteliselt võib öelda, et kõik on platsis.
Tartu ülikoolis filosoofia õppetoolis. Poegaga elult midagi muud soovis. Tänäpä 3 erinevat narkootikumi proovis. Mis värk on? Ma küsin, mis värk on? Vaata ringi tahan teada, mis tegelt on. Kuidas hommikuti välja näeb päriselt on. Mida näha pakutakse on vaid illusioon. Mis värk on? Ma küsin, mis värk on? Infoliin, palun võtke vastu telefon. Postiljon, räägi välja, mis tegelt on. Heli on, öelge mulle, mis siis tegelt on. Leti ääres on mees, nimi on Fred. Valge ülikond seljas, kirju lips on ees. Just tutvunud ilusat tüdrukuga. Talle mitmendat konjakit välja teeb. Õhtu arenedes, tuju paranedes. Aeg lendab, tap tantsides. Mehe pilk on kinni ta rindades. Parem ette jalutada mere ääres. Väikse tõus leiab noored suudeldes. Fredi käsi leiab seeliku alla tee. See sellisel hetkel, milline üllatus see kuradi lits tuleb välja, et see eit on hoopis mees. Mis värk on, ma küsin, mis värk on, vaatan ringi, tahan teada, kuidas tegelikult on. Mitme naise rinnast peidab ennast silikon, mida näha pakutakse, on vaid illusioon. Mis värk on, ma küsin, mis värk on, Šromik tahab teada ja mis värk on, ma küsin, mis värk on. Samal ajal klubis, Rodeo kuubis, tuleb segib ja käräpis liigub aeg klubis. Kusagilt peldiku seina tagant kuulis, kuidas JOC mikrofoni taga ruulis. Mis värk on, kes see laulab seal, kuidamoodi tal pole ju dreadlocke peas. Tüüpiline naps on manadete stereotüüpseid kujutuspilte, mis on täiesti vale. Mis värk on, ta küsib, mis värk on, vaatab ringi, tahab teada, mis tegelt on. Ära pabista, selle mina, see pole grammofon, see mida arvad, on vaid illusioon. Mis värk on, küsin, mis värk on.
Värk on selline, et järgmisena hakkab laulma sellisest poistebändist nagu TOK pärit Bass-C ja nagu öeldi, Šromik on siin ja tal on grammofon.
Listen me, you know this is Bass-C and may I represent for DJ Šromik representing home studio from Estonia. You see me I say, we high on music every day smoking the Stankonia. You see me I say, and right down if you know so we have foundation. Sound boys for know that. Number one DJ Šromik. Yo, you know this is BAYC, Bass-C representing.
Yes, number one DJ Bass-C ütles.
Tell them say we high on music every day, right? DJ Šromik. Many rise, many drop, but we solid as a rock. Them did think we would have flop, but we solid as a rock. Keep we eyes to the top, Šromik solid as a rock. Looking forward, never back, Šromik solid as a. Tell them we stand firm and we never run from sound where ya chat tough, cause them are never bad man. Anywhere the crew go, that is where the crew stand. Šromik no give a fuck wherever them come from. Šromik a bad man. Many rise, many DJ Šromik solid as a rock. Them did think we would have flop, but we solid as a rock. Keep we eyes to the DJ, we solid as a rock. We looking forward, never. Let me give them something new, man. DJ Šromik, hey. Thump in a face, we no play that. We no see the boy in the world we afraid of. Facts in a years, we no play that. We no see the boy in the world we afraid of. Try intimidate me with fear not. We no see the boy in the world we afraid of. Send a bag of threat, but we care not. We no see the boy. I'm on a real dapper, I'm on a veteran. I could we some boy, I said them better than them. If you know how we run the trendsetter clan. When you see we are no talk, show no fall and no let a man defend the talks. For you send a man a bad about peace, and I said that we forget along. Anything we bust new and no second hand, and them can't tell me stylings. Hey, many rise, many drop, Šromik we solid as a rock. Keep we eyes to the top, and we solid as a rock.
Yes, solid as a rock. Bashment, 15 juuli, Queen Elizabeth, Triinu Aruväli, Aevas Sound System, Triini Dance Crew, Kilbaba, mina, DJ Šromik, JOC, Dice Ruudi, Ringo Ringve, Tarvi Laaman, Smädi, Don Erikson, Massavi, Bombillas, Drumsaurus ja Tja Zema Rasta orkestrist. Aga selle Rasta orkestriga on selline lugu, et nemad tulevad nimelt Venemaalt. Aevas Sound System tuleb küll Soomest, aga Rasta orkestra tuleb Venemaalt. Ja Venemaalt tuleb ka artist nimega Miss Paz. Kuulame.
Who the bass is this, miss? You don't know. And me want to tell you one thing. I'm in love with a mighty sound. Big up me brother home sound. Hot me up like the shining sun. Cause you are wrong teen in Estonia. Daytime when the light is out. Bless up this champion sound. It's on my mind, so the time is now. Time is now. Time is right. Šromik, run the track with a drum break. When it comes, you raise them up. Yeah, you are run that run track. Make cooler them a come. Higher music every day. Run the track with a drum break. When it comes, you raise them up. Yeah, you are run that run track. Make cooler them a come around. The time to slow down. Turn it up loud. Up loud. Higher music every day. Up loud. Yeah, Šromik sound. stuck in traffic, car window half open. Spinning volume knob clockwise. So everyone who pass me by, follow me with them eyes. Louder than a special proud, you're in a lunch. Louder than a clap of a thunder, hide and a kite. Call them proud, had it and tough, but not enough. You're still gonna turn it up loud. Till the sweat gets the dance floor slippery, till the ears will bleed with the rainbow rivers. Till we drumming hard.
Umbes 14 minutit on jäänud, kuid top-late on kindlasti rohkem, kui jõuab mängida. Aga võtame tempo üles siis natukeseks. Mis Bass, Run That, otse Venemaalt. Kuid nüüd ma luban ausalt, et ma mängin täna viimase top-lade'i Top Cati poolt. Aus lubadus.
Well, here's the home studio, Massive Band Crow. Watch our original Top Cat passing show. The time pass it coming like curfew. Watch out, DJ Shramik. Watch out, your music on the right, tonic. What we tell them say? Yeah, hear me? Hear this. Now this one going out to all Diatic Doggart, where they come from southwest, east or north. Home studio, the roughest of the roughest, gonna come with a tape back number out clot. Home studio are the roughest, come back from out the south part. And the south test we have to draw it up fast. Roughest, come back from out the south part. And the south test we have to draw it up fast. We are gonna dust out your blood. Knock out your blood. Dust out your blood. Knock out your blood. Me tell them boys and that choke your right, get your heart in. Home studio with no skin, not laughing. We face bend, cause we not beg no friend. Test the DJ Shramik, we not hear you again. And if a boy try, well you know when I run with a straw, we not plate. And we box that, that was 5, 4, 5 LP, and we not plate. Anything test, we just murder it straight. And if a sound try, well you know when I run with a straw, we not plate. And we box that. We are the roughest. We are the toughest. Home studio are the roughest. Come up from out the south part. And the sound test, we have to draw it up fast. Roughest, come up from out the south part. And the sound test, we have to draw it up. Them boy, them can't do nothing. Them can't do nothing. Try to with something. We try for with something. Can't do nothing. Them can't do nothing. Try to with something. We draw it. So you are the roughest. Come up from out the south part. And the sound test, we have to draw it up fast. Roughest, come up from out the south part. We tell them to home studio. Watch out. We are the roughest. We are the toughest. We are the roughest. We are the toughest. We can't 4, 5 more think and we Mach 10. Now rust clock and we Mach 11. And if a sound try that we have to defend with us jaw with the plate and we box them. Then we are the roughest. We are the toughest. We are the roughest. We are the, what me tell them say? Home studio are the roughest. Come up from out the south part. And the sound test, we have to draw it up fast. Roughest, come up from out the south part. And the sound test, we have to draw it up fast. We have it up.
Just nii, top-late on nii palju, et endalgi läheb sassi juba, mis järjekorras mida mängitud on. Aga järgmine artist, kes on käinud Bashmendil, Legendary General Levi. See on Anthem lugu. Incredible. Big up Ali G. Big up General Levi. M-Beat. Nii lihtne see ongi.
Divisional dancehall jungle is there. General Levy alongside DJ Showmik from Estonia. And the world is in trouble. Blaze the fire. Showmik, this is the incredible DJ. Showmik, say that home studio, whatever the bombastic. Yo, incredible DJ. Showmik, say that. Yo, DJ Showmik, I spin them like a windmill. You don't fit them, and DJ Showmik got the skill. Dance can't dash on the Showmik on the bill. The girls see you them dogs, their dreams get fulfilled. Pass out with them in the cold, like we no chill. I go win no sniper, winner, who about the hill. When the one come
okei, aitab sellest kiirest tempost, liigume tagasi dancehalli juurde ja tervitused Viljandimaale, tervitused Võsule, tervitused MC Lordile.
Ain, pole ain, pole ain, pole ain, ruumid pole mingi ain, kõik on fine, kõik on fine, kõik on fine, kõik on fine, ta pole mingi ain, pole ain, ruumid pole ain, kõik on fine, siit kõnetab teid mitte edaine seti, Lord siin spitib keset ruumiku setti, ei pane keegi ketti, tuliseks on aetud plaadi, väriseb maapind, kasutades stiili ja rütme, ruumik tõmbab iga peo korralikult hüppe ja kõik on fine, fenomenaalne, kuidas kaasa liigub keha, teate küll, igas linnas teeb seda, uus beat Lil särises, ruumik DJ pole ain, kõik on fine mees päriselt, bassiliin täriseb ja tantsukingad saavad vatti, kus ruumik näitab klassi, see on ta valuuta ja kui sa seda lugu kuulad, siis oled sattunud õigele peole, täna siin sattunud õigele peole, kõik on õige, sest ruumik pole mingi ain, pole ain, pole ain, pole ain, ruumik pole mingi ain, kõik on fine, kõik on fine, kõik on fine, kõik on fine, ta pole mingi ain, pole ain, pole ain, ruumik pole ain, kõik on fine, yeah, Shrumik DJ, MC Lord.
Burning fire can't cool, can't quench, you know, say a touch of a burning flame to represent. Yeah, man, may I tell you, say your DJ Shrumik large up yourself like that, may I say let it out, yeah? Let's start right away with the bonfire in a Babylon, just like that, a conscious music we play all time. Hey, oh, we said we burn some sound again. Now beg no friend, hey, play music.
Viimased minutid, viimased top-playdid, Torch, Sweet Reggae Music.
What they've been saying, others don't know what they've been playing. Home to the city, good music they
ma proovin kiirelt 3 lugu ära mahutada siia, sest nad on kõik väärt seda mängimist.
Now promote no criminal, no thief. Home to the blaze fire and it burn up all the beasts. And we tell them say, hey, playing some good reggae music, yeah, hey, home studio music, yeah, and we can't afford to go lose it. This a reggae music, home studio music.
Just Sweet Reggae Music, sweet Reggae Music. Aga paneme juba järgmise loo peale, sellepärast et aega on vähe ja see on oluline lugu. 15 juuli, Bombillas, 10 aastat. Respekt Bombillas. Respekt.
Vaat see on tõeliselt mõnus vana hea Bombillase beat, täis päikest ja tull. Ma kuulistad selekta. Aga muidugi, just praegu, teie ees, masina taga, DJ Shrumik! Jo! Pane käima see rastamehe laul nüüd! Ta rütmi ei tunne ja viisi ei pea, ei keemiat, ei füüsikat jagada pea, kuid sellegi poolest on ta seltsis meil hea, see mees on rasta. Jo, ja tüli ei tõsta, ei tekita kära, kus viga näeb laita, seal porotab ära. Nii kõiki meid võlub ta silmades sära, see mees on rasta. See mees on rasta, see mees on rasta, mees on rasta. See mees on rasta, kui küsid, mis mees on, ma vastan. See mees on rasta, mees on puta rasta. See mees on rasta, mees on puta rasta.
Just, me siin hakkasime karutama, et Kilbaba oli kohal siin neljapäeval, kui meil oli peatuses Bashment, JFC oli kohal, Dice Ruudi oli kohal, Tarvi oli kohal, mina olin kohal. Aga kus olid tantsutüdrukud, kus olid Queen Elizabeth, kus oli Triinu? Aga vähemalt te olete kohal 15. juulil. Tulge vaatama, kuidas tantsitakse.
Triini Dance Crew, Queen Elizabeth teevad koos teile väikese õppe workshop show, töötoa ja siis ongi keha mõnusalt soe, et jätkata Bashment Padas pidustusi juulikuus no miks on tähtis pada, sellepärast et seal on, siis on kõige soojem Eestis, siis on Bombillase 10 aastat juubel, kes esines, esimene avalik esinemine oligi Bashmandil ja tähtis on ka sellepärast, et Rasta Orkestra, Eesti esimene rege bänd ametlikult, tema laulja on nüüd oma sound systemiga, teeb siis DJ live seti, Xioma on ta nimi ja see on nagu oluline ja Trumsaurus teeb esimese etteaste Bashmandil, nii et palju uusi värskeid tegijaid ja vanad kullad, nii et big up, respect Shromik, Bashment FM-i stuudios külas.
Ja nüüd annamegi siis selle viimase loo ka ette, et legendaarne Otis Gale, kes on kuulunud nii Studio One rivistusse kui ka Coxon Soundi ja igale poole mujale. Otis Gale, What You Do For Love ja miks me seda muusikat ikka mängime, ikka ainult armastuse pärast.
Well, here is big up DJ Shromik.
Nii et big up DJ Shromik, aitäh, big up Bashment FM sõbrad, Raadio 2 sõbrad. Bashment FM praegu paneb otsad kokku, aga mitte kauaks, nädala pärast uuesti, vahepeal erinevad Bashment FM klubid linna peal, maa all ja maa peal. Pärast Bashment FM-i Raadio 2 Jazz It Up ja kõik muu parem ja parem, mis Raadio 2 kavas. Aitäh, mina Tarvi Laaman, signing out, DJ Shromikule suured tänud spets seti eest, respect.
Spets tänud Bashment Sound Systemile ja Bashment Crew'le ja kõikidele kuulajatele. Respekt Raadio 2 ja ma arvan, et kohtume varsti pidudel ja raadioeetris ja igal pool uuesti. Peace out. Champion sound of elections flows. Some song boys go around the world for dogs, but they may never find